Hello students, today we will start covalent bond. In the previous video we have completed the topic ionic bond. Ionic bond means the bond formed by the transfer of electrons. Suppose A has the extra electron in their outer shell and it transfers its electron to B. In this case, A will be positively charged while B will be negatively charged. Okay, and the bond formed between A and B is an ionic bond because the bond formed by the combination of ions. Clear? Now today's topic is covalent bond. The covalent bond is defined as the bond formed by the mutual sharing of atoms. Means, suppose there is an example here, ClCl. Cl has the electronic configuration 287. It has 7 electron in its valence shell. Means Cl require 1 electron to attain the stability or to attain the electronic configuration as same with argon. Okay. In this case, chlorine having 7 electron in its valence shell. These are the electron dot structure of each other. When they combine together, see the condition. Firstly, we have to see the electron of this Cl. This has the 8 electron. In the second case, we will see the second one. These are the 8 electron also. That means by the mutual sharing, these two Cl occupy with 8 electron with electronic configuration. Clear? That is, the mutual sharing of electron when take place between the atom, it show or form covalent bond. There are 3 type of covalent bond: single, double and triple. The covalent bond when electron sharing is taken 1 and 1 from both sides, when 2 electrons are used to form the bond, it is known as single bond. When 2 electron are take part from each side, it is known as double bond. In the case of triple bond, 3 electron from both sides are taken. H2 is the example of single bond, oxygen double bond and nitrogen is triple bond. Okay, you can see in the figure that in the case of formation of C2H4, in the formation of C2H4, carbon and other carbon are hold together with double bond. It is double bond. In case of acetylene, CH triple bond CH are bonded together and it form triple bond. Okay, now till now you have studied about the ionic bond, transfer of electron. Transfer of electron, it is ionic bond. Second one is, it is first. Second one is, it is the mutual sharing. Mutual sharing of electron between atom. It is known as covalent bond. And third type of bond is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is the type of bond in which sharing of electron is take place only from one side. One-sided sharing of electron is take place in this type. For example, I am taking here example N2O. In N2O, there are 2 nitrogen which are bounded with N triple bond N, and this nitrogen has 2 free electron. These free electron are transferred to oxygen and the structure will be N triple bond N and arrow mark oxygen. Means arrow mark is shown the coordinate bond. Means nitrogen show इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनर कंडीशन, इट इज़ द डोनर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. और जिधर को ये एरो मार्क शो हो रहा है मीन्स एरो मार्क इज शोन फ्रॉम डोनर टू एक्सेप्टर. ऑक्सीजन शो एक्सेप्टर कैरेक्टर इन दिस कंडीशन. क्लियर? नाउ we will explain. Now our next topic is limitation or failure of octet rule. First of all, I will remind you the octet rule. Octet rule means each and every atom contain 8 electron in its outer shell, 8 electron in its outer shell except helium and the correlated atom of helium. हीलियम और हीलियम के पास वाले जितने भी एटम हैं वो अपने आउटर सेल में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन कंप्लीट करते हैं. Other than helium, they have to complete 8 electron in its valence shell. Okay, now we will start from this topic, limitation of octet rule. There are two reasons of limitations of octet rule. Two conditions are here which was observed in the condition like PCl5. There is a compound PCl5. If we see, phosphorus has 5 electron in its outer shell. When it combined with 5Cl, it found 10 electron in its valence shell. हम कह रहे हैं कि 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन होना चाहिए, बट इन दिस कंडीशन इट शो 10 इलेक्ट्रॉन. मीन्स देर आर सम स्पीसीज विच हैव एक्स्ट्रा इलेक्ट्रॉन ऑन द सेंटर एटम. मीन्स these species are known as electron efficient or extra electron species, but these species can exist in the environment, that's why octet rule is showing failure. Next is electron deficient species. For example, I am explaining AlCl3 structure. Al has 3 electron in its outer shell. 3 है, 3 से combine करेगा तो it contain only 6 electron, but it also exists in the environment. Means there are two type of species in the environment: electron deficient like AlCl3, BCl3, BF3, and other are electron efficient species. These are both the species. They do not have the 8 electron in its valence shell, but instead of stability they have the instability in the environment. Means there is a question that when PCl5 is exposed in the air, it convert into PCl3 plus Cl2 because it is unstable due to the 10 electron in the valence cell. Okay, in PCl3 condition 5 होते हैं इस सेल में और Cl के सेल में होते हैं, इसको 1 रिक्वायर है. जब ये 3 से कंबाइन करेगा इट विल बी 5 + 3 8. PCl3 इज द स्टेबल कंपाउंड. नाइस. नाउ our next topic is formal charge. Formal charge can be calculated the charge present on the individual atom. For example, I am taking the example of this. Means formal charge is the charge present on the individual atom in a molecule. Suppose I am calculating the charge of this nitrogen. Suppose it is A. मैंने इसको A अनाउंस किया, इसको B अनाउंस किया और इसको मैं C अनाउंस कर रही हूँ. Means we have to calculate the charge of A, charge of B, charge of C. Means individual charge present on the atom in a molecule is known as formal charge. Clear? The formal charge calculation has to be done like through the formula that formal charge equals to total number of electron minus bonding electron, non-bonding electron, or minus 1/2 bonding electron. I have used here some टॉपिक्स और टर्म्स. बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन, नॉन बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन. सबसे पहले हमें यही क्लियर होना चाहिए. सी, सपोज आई एम सेइंग अबाउट द ऑक्सीजन. When oxygen react with oxygen, it form like this, overlapping 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in this condition 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. See, यहाँ पर जो इलेक्ट्रॉन है ऑक्सीजन में, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस साइड के, 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन इस साइड के, मीन्स दीज आर द शेयर्ड इलेक्ट्रॉन. बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन दीज आर. बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन मतलब जो बॉन्ड बना रहे हैं. तो यहाँ पर टोटल बॉन्डिंग इलेक्ट्रॉन आपके हो गए हैं 4. क्लियर. अब नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर इस ऑक्सीजन की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. सपोज इसको मैं फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन कह रही हूँ और इसको सेकंड. ऑन द फर्स्ट ऑक्सीजन there are 4 free electron and these free electron are also known as non-bonding electron. Clear? Okay. And total number of electron in oxygen outer cell is 2, 6. These are the total number of electron 6. Now we will calculate some example. Yes, there is an example here. Oxygen 1, oxygen 2, oxygen 3. In oxygen we have supposed the numbering on the oxygen. In center oxygen 1 is here, and on left side oxygen 2, oxygen 3. On the first oxygen the total number of electron are 6. Non-bonding electron means the electron which are प्रेजेंट ऑन द फ्री स्टेट. इन द फ्री स्टेट तो कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन है यहाँ पर? 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन शो हो रहे हैं. 2 माइनस 1/2 एंड यू हैव टू सी नाउ देयर आर 3 बॉन्ड, 2 ऑन लेफ्ट साइड एंड 1 ऑन राइट साइड. 3 इलेक्ट्रॉन, 3 बॉन्ड इज हियर और एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन में 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन यूज होते हैं. मीन्स 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन आर यूज हियर. दैट इज द रीज़न कि जितने भी इलेक्ट्रॉन शेयरिंग होते हैं उनको हम हाफ करते हैं, क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल एटम के वो आधे ही होते हैं, आधे म्यूचुअल शेयरिंग में दूसरे एटम की तरफ से शेयर्ड होते हैं. इट इज़ क्लियर. नाउ इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक. ओके स्टूडेंट, हैव अ नाइस डे.